Friends, welcome back to another video at Scratch Skills. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make a super fun and super easy simple Scratch project. So, in our simple Scratch project, what we're gonna do is there'll be a sprite moving, which will keep on changing its costume in a way that it is actually moving. So, I hope you understood the main theme of today. So let's start with our simple project. I've got a new Scratch project over here. So first thing, let's get rid of Sprite 1, and then go to choose a Sprite option and take the rocket. You can just type in the rocket ship it will be there. Yeah, this is the one. Then we can take any backdrop. For now, I'm gonna take the galaxy. Good. Now, go to the rocket ship's info panel and change its size to 70 and its direction to 145. Okay, perfect. Place it in a place where it can start from. So when we place it over here, what's the deal is, when the green flag is clicked, it needs to go to that X and Y position. So in case you're hearing of the X and Y the first time, please do not worry. I have a video that explains everything about the X and Y position. I'll send the link down below in the description, or if you just want to see this complete video and then go for it, that video will be there in the last of this video. So let's start with our X and Y. So when I talk about X and Y, I can tell you a brief explanation now. So the X means the horizontal grid of the Scratch stage, and the Y means the vertical grid of the stage. So I hope you understood in a brief way. Okay, so what happens is, even if I keep the sprite over here in the start, when I click the green flag, it'll go to that position. Okay. Now, the second thing what we want to do is, from this position, we wanted to go to this position. How to do that? We place the sprite in the position that we want to end in, and then we'll keep a to glide 3 seconds to X current X, Y current Y. Let's see how this works. Oh, it worked. Woohoo! So now it glided to that area. So now if we wanted to keep repeating it, do we keep duplicating this? Let's try duplicating it. Duplicating is a method that does work, but when you duplicate it, did you see the amount of blocks that is there? Whoa, we are not gonna take so many blocks. One is more than enough for today, because there is a certain block that helps us to repeat an action. That is there in the control category. It is called as the forever loop or the repeat loop. So if we take the repeat loop, it'll repeat 10 times whatever is doing. So let's not wait for 10 times, and let's wait for 2 times. Let's see what this does. So 1 done, 2 done. So it stops at the number 2. Now if I place it to 100, then I'll do it 100 times. Instead of duplicating the blocks 100 times, we can just type in any number and a block. Easy, right? Yeah. Now, I had another thing that I want to tell about the glide to block. So if I want to, now I'll just keep this aside. So if I want to go to this position and glide to this position, how will it glide? Let's look at this. So it'll glide on that way. So whether it's going in another direction or this direction, it'll always go in a straight format. It won't go like this. It won't have any curves on its movement. I just want to tell you that in case you're thinking that there can be curves while you're placing it like that. So now, as we're done with two steps, let's go to the third step. So we want it to rotate and change its costume while it goes to a certain position. So how to do this is one green flag clicked, we want to wait for zero point 0.1 second so that it does not change its costume too fast. And next costume, let's try this out. Why is it only turning once? Oh, now it comes like our repeat block. There's another block called as the forever loop, which will make it continuously change its costume, and which will look like this. Woohoo! We did it. Now, for any more effects, you can just go to the sounds, and then you can choose a sound from the sound, choose a sound option. There we can go to the effects, and you can put the collect. So what we can do is play sound collect once it reaches this area. So we have placed this play the sound block after that after it reaches that position. So let's try this out, how this works. Woohoo! We successfully have made a beautiful Interact with Sprite simple project today, which is so beautiful to look at and so fun to play with. So, hope you guys had fun watching today's video. And there's also one more thing that I wanted to say to you all. Let's see what that is. So, hope you guys had fun today making our super interactive project in Scratch, which was super fun to make and super fun to play. See you in another video. Goodbye for now, guys. Bye.